Follow these easy steps to resize an image in Photoshop. Open Photoshop and go to File. Open to choose your image file. From the menu, select Image, Image Size. Set new size. Adjust the width and height fields to set the new dimensions. Make sure the chain link icon is active to maintain the aspect ratio. In the same dialog box, choose a resampling method like bicubic sharper for reducing size or bicubic smoother for enlarging. Click OK to apply the changes and resize your image. Save your image. Go to File, Save As to save your resized image in your desired format.